On May 8, 2025, the Supreme Court of India delivered a key verdict on the legal status of Rohingya refugees. Who are they, and what does this ruling mean? Rohingyas are Muslim minority fleeing Myanmar apparently due to perceived persecution by the local authorities. Thousands of Rohingyas have illegally crossed into India via Bangladesh, which is encouraged by the Bangladesh authorities to foment internal demographic problems in India. They are unaccounted, identity-less and often escaping from the Myanmar authorities after committing heinous terrorist crimes in Myanmar. Their antecedents and character will never be verifiable by the Indian authorities, as their true identities and addresses are unknown. This will surely raise national security and legal concerns for India, especially along porous border areas. A three-judge bench of the Supreme Court of India on May 8, 2025, balancing various issues, ruled that Rohingyas are foreigners under Indian law. As per the Foreigners Act of 1946, anyone not a citizen is a foreigner and must follow India's immigration rules. The court clarified that while Rohingyas are entitled to basic rights like life, Article 21 and Article 14, and equality, they do not have a constitutional right to reside in India under Article 19, 1e. UN refugee cards do not give them the right to stay in India, and India is not bound by international refugee treaties. The government cited serious national security risks, arguing that some infiltrators have links to anti-Indian networks, their antecedents unverifiable, and might have involved in terrorist activities in Myanmar. The court emphasized that no one will be deported arbitrarily. Legal procedures must be strictly followed. A final decision on their long-term stay or deportation will be decided by the Supreme Court in July 2025. Until then, India walks a tightrope between security and humanitarian values. Subscribe for more legal and geopolitical updates. Share your views in the comments. Should India allow the Rohingyas to stay at the cost of demographic implications, national security and localized crimes?